Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a look at the ZX 2K Boost. Before we get into the review guys, just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into the review. So what we have in hand are the ADIDAS ZX 2K Boost, and we've got this in a US size 8, UK 7.5, and we've got this in a European 41 1/3, that's the French sizing, and we've got this color in the Cielo FT White here. But once I show it, I'm going to give it another name because it's nicer that it's like fluorescent yellow and red. You'll see it. There it is. So right off the bat, this is really like eye-catching, isn't it? Like you got the fluorescent yellow here at the back, and it's like, I want to say like a solar red. Obviously Adidas didn't give it those names, this is what I've given them myself, but you can agree, we can all agree that those are these colors. So we'll start at the outsole. So with this outsole, it's an all rubber outsole, and you have the little holes to show that the Boost, you can see the Boost technology, and this like massive hole right here, it just reminds me of a Yeezy Boost. So you have that big like window, and it's like a similar shape, and you have the little Adidas Trifoil logo right there as well. As I mentioned, this is a Boost shoe, so you've got the whole Boost midsole unit right there, and you have a little like translucent rubber around the midsole area there, and where you've got the Adidas logo and like a little patterning just behind that as well. It's like I said, it's rather see-through, you can see through it, and the Boost cushioning right here is coloured red as well, the same as the upper as we go along. Now what this entails, what this brings, why it's called ZX and Boost, is it's incorporating all the elements of like the ZX Flux. It was an old Adidas silhouette back in the 80s, and what they were famous for was like a TPU heel cage, and you got that Boost. So obviously I mentioned it before and again, the Boost technology is right there in the midsole area. If we go along the upper, so this is a whole textile upper. You've got bits of mesh. So this here is like a sock unit, very soft. Obviously, it reminds me of the one prime knit sock unit you'll get often in like an Adidas Yeezy 350 or the NMD. So this does remind me of an NMD because it incorporates past technologies and incorporates the new. And if we go along here around the front of the shoe, we've got like this solar reds coloring, really nice. Like I said, it pops, and as we go to the back it fades into that fluorescent yellow right in the heel area. And you have the plastic overlays, you've got perforations there as well just to make it more breathable. Black Adidas 3 stripes and the lateral and the medial sides, and we've got the nice Adidas logo on the tongue. As I mentioned before, you have this ZX heel like cage, and you've got the Adidas logo in a black rubber and a nice pull tab. Now it's going to be my first time trying these on, and I can't wait to do that. But before I go into that, I just want to mention how this reminds me of an Adidas basketball shoe, like the Harden Volume 2s or something like that. But this is meant for like casual walks. Wouldn't recommend it running in it, but I'll see how it feels, because like I said, this is going to be my first time trying these on, and I can't wait to like compare them basically, because I love like an Adidas Boost, and I'm always excited to try these on just to get my hands on them really. So here we go, let's try them on. Usually guys, I go for a UK size 8 when it comes to Adidas, but I think these 7.5s are a good fit. I think it's because it's a bit wider than like an Adidas Ultrabeast or the Yeezys that we've done reviews in the past. These do, like, honestly, these fit well. So if I do suggest going a half size, well, not a half size, go with what you usually get, because when it comes to Adidas, I usually get a half size up because I'm a UK size 7.5. Also, I mentioned how I wouldn't use this for running. I would use it for a light jog, quick 5k. I wouldn't use this for like a marathon. That's what I meant by don't class these as a running shoe in that aspect. If you're going for a light jog, definitely these are really comfortable. I like it. You can feel that Boost cushioning. The mesh upper is very comfortable. It's hugging my feet. It's like wearing an Air Presto, a Nike one. With that said, I love the colours as well. It's bright, vibrant. What more do you want when it comes to like a pair of these new Adidas running trainers? Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on the Instagram. That's with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.